Today at the shop, we have a Phase 1 Renault Sport Clio V6 imported from Japan. It arrived with a hole in the dash, so we're going to install a stereo and see what else pops up out of this ultra rare vehicle.
That was the other question, was it going to need a Euro antenna adapter?
No.
Doesn't look like it.
You have such grabby hands.
Yeah, they looks like they cut. There's some bolt connectors in there.
No.
Oh, look at that. Man, that thing was shoved way in there.
Yeah.
Cool. Random wire.
You're very giggly.
Uh-oh. Is it like a Volkswagen where it reverses all the way over and up?
Up and over, yeah.
So it's got a standard Volkswagen harness and looks like
Yeah,
there might have been a
there's
Sony in here previously.
Some sort of breakout for this.
For the steering controls, you think?
I don't know. No, something's robbing power and ground
Oh.
or something, or borrowing it, or whatever you want to call it. This.
If you get your hand up and maybe you can look at it. It's got some lettering on it. ETC? I don't know what that is. ETC. And it looks like almost looks like a mini disc player
Or
drive.
some kind of card reader or something?
Yeah.
That's gotta go.
Okay.
We don't need that anymore. We don't need this stinking wiring. Ew. I don't know what this is. We don't need it, right?
I don't. You need a special thing to release adhesive? No. It just popped right out.
That's cool. Credit card reader.
That was all those wires on the floor? When did that?
Yo. Don't ask me what this one this does.
I see some other wires hanging underneath here too.
Be really careful with that windshield.
There you go.
I was really freaking out with the glass as I was thinking about how rare this vehicle is and how irreplaceable that windshield would be.
But I would never pry against the glass. All cars are very similar. They come apart the same way.
Yeah, so see, to me, this is like such a super rare vehicle to work on. I'm thinking about how precious it is, how irreplaceable it is. In your eyes, this is just a car. It's just like every other car that you do.
That's it.
You're going to treat every car the same way,
Yep.
with care and respect.
That was for their toll spoof things, right?
Yeah, you looked up that
Credit card reader?
ETC and found that it was a toll reader and a credit card reader.
It's a weird way to do it.
Yeah, I don't see. Plus, that's in English, so that doesn't make any sense to me. What the hell is that, an alarm? Looks like an old alarm.
Control box. Yeah, that's gotta go.
Why does that gotta go?
I don't know if I want to leave it in there.
What is it for?
I don't know.
What's the, here, if you look at the back of
Probably
it.
lock and unlock. Got a little antenna. That's what that thing is. Right here. It is. That's the antenna.
Oh. You want to call him real quick?
No.
But that GPS antenna was connected to that other thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this is all connected.
Yeah, because maybe he's got a fob somewhere and he just didn't leave it with us.
Any screws in there?
Yeah, there's screws in it.
Oh, look at it all.
More wires.
Yeah, because it's lock and unlock.
Yeah.
That's all that is. It's just a mess. That's part of the car, I think. Oh wow, they really it up. I'm just gonna cut it though.
No, I don't think you should.
Oh.
There's a little arguing going on back and forth here.
Bickering. Ask him if he wants me to remove this control box. The old keyless entry that's...
I did. He said get rid of it.
Okay, good. Because it's trying to do something despite looking at it. Alright. Alright, so we gotta clean up all this wiring.
Nothing is ever as it seems, right?
No, not in this world.
No. I was happy that the harness wasn't cut. I thought, oh, okay, that'll save some time.
Yeah.
Get some other crap that you gotta pull out.
And then I gotta repair all these wires.
Right.
Looks like we got parking lights here.
So what are you doing? Basically, wherever you see wires tapped in, you're...
I'm gonna get all these wires that are attached to that box off and then cleaned up. First I gotta disassemble it. I don't know where these are going. Oh, probably to the hazards. Wow. What did they do? Oh, that's part of the car.
Oh, you cut that.
Yeah, but it wasn't hooked up.
No, you cut that from over here.
Yeah, everything still works. This is another type of receiver or something. What the hell is this?
It's got tip switches on it. But that's wired into this thing.
Yeah, no, I don't know.
So you gotta leave it.
Yeah.
Where were those wires going to?
That's
Are they
wired
going
to
over
lock
there?
and unlock. That's weird. This is nothing. This could go. No, they were power and ground. They were wired to the radio. They were piggybacking off this. See?
Okay.
I'm not going to hook that back up.
Yeah, but that looks like that was factory.
No. It's added.
No,
But
it's
it's
not.
not.
It's going to this plug.
Well, it might be going to the plug, but it's not factory. Factory doesn't
They
work
didn't
like
make
this.
T-harness connections like that back then.
I don't know what this is, but it's not factory. I'll hook it back up, but it's not factory. I mean, it's got things that are not hooked up. I don't know if this is a necessary piece. I'll hook it back up, but I wouldn't want it in my car. It's just power and ground. Alright, so this is questionable, but we'll hook it back up. I wouldn't.
Yeah, but I don't know what it does. I have no
I
idea.
don't either, but I don't think it does anything. There was no radio in the car. Everything else was working.
Yeah, but there was power going to the radio. So whatever that is was getting power.
I guess.
So what's going through your head when you see all those wires in there where you just want to pull them out?
I see a mess. I see somebody was in there. This was added in. We need to clean it up. You can prevent shorts by, getting all the bare ends out of there. I see wires going to the door locks. It's obviously, it was an aftermarket alarm system. I had to get rid of it. I had to.
So where's it going to go?
I don't know.
Oh, you're putting it on the cloth? You think it'll hold?
Feels pretty good.
Okay.
Gentle
I was
with
going
this.
to say that material sounds like it's just disintegrating.
It's ready to go. No, that's fine.
Oh, God.
You can never be an installer.
No, I could not.
Oh my god, it's going to break. I used to have a lot of slack in there. What year is this thing? We don't even know.
I don't even know. The headliner, that was really
Brittle.
very brittle and making a lot of sounds when you were touching it. No
It's pretty
problem.
common sound. It really is. Most headliners are pretty brittle like that. They are. In the cheaper cars. This was not a very expensive car.
When it came out.
Right.
The Renault Clio is a pretty rare vehicle. They only made about 1,500 of these. This particular one was imported from Japan, which is why it says Leticia on the badging, because
I didn't even
Clio
notice that.
Clio is copyrighted, I think, by Honda in Japan. It's a phase 1, and this is actually the second Clio that we worked on for this client. We imported some pretty cool cars.
Okay. That's it.
Hey, how's it sound? Thanks. Bye. With the stereo installation complete and the Bluetooth connection tested, it was time to deliver the car to the client and move on to the next job.
Bye.